Hello everyone, welcome back on your English YouTube channel Masti English Classes. I am Rakesh, your English motivator and trainer. Today I will discuss about future continuous tense because in previous class you learnt future continuous tense in that sentence which is saying about affirmative type sentence. So today you will learn negative sentence. So first of all, future continuous tense, and when you talk in future with negative, so how can you translate future continuous tense with negative? Today you will learn that. So in that, first of all, I will take example, and by that example you will learn that how will you translate to that types of all example in your day-to-day life as a mean to speaking, writing, yeah, anything. So let's talk about that. I taken one sentence. वह नहीं जा रहा होगा. वह नहीं जा रहा होगा. It's mean he, you taken when that sentence वह नहीं जा रहा होगा. It's mean which types you speak in present time. वह नहीं जा रहा है. So when you relate that sentence to future, so you take वह नहीं जा रहा होगा. So you know very well that if I talk about he, so you taken he, and you know very well he is third person. So when he is third person for you, so you know very well that if I talk about he, she, it, name, you, they, so with all you use will. So with he you taken will, and by that sentence you know very well that sentence so negative. So for negative you use not, so you taken not. He will not. Now you know very well that if I talk about we, so we is model for you. You know that shall and will are model for you, and you use shall and will as a model, not to any sentence, not to any tense way. And you know very well, if I talk about any model, so all model take base form of verb. So in that you will use base form. So what will you take, which you learnt earlier session, previous session, that in continuous I take be. So you taken be. So he will not be. Now man action is go, so you taken go, but here is continue, so you will take ing. So he will not be going. It's mean वह नहीं जा रहा होगा. So you know that in all way when you take any that types of example, that example will relate future continuous with negative, So what do you do? No, I mean, you take it first. What is subject for me? So first of all, I will discuss about subject. So I know that here subject is he, and you know very well he is pronoun for you. Pronoun. And you know very well which replace to noun, that's called pronoun. So who, he is pronoun for you. And when I talk about he, so for this sentence he is subject. And you know very well subject can be noun and noun. Will saw future. Saw future. And will is models for you, like model for you. And you know very well that after model not is negative word for you, and after model you take base form. So be is base form for you. And if I talk about going, so going is here object or other word for you. So in that condition, you know very well that going is main verb. Why? Because main focus is in going way, not to be, not to not, not to will, not to anyone. So when you take any that types of example, which example relate to future continuous tense, so you solve and you translate all of that types of example with shall and will after not and be after main verb. So you find out that if you will translate, you translate future continuous tense, so at first you will take subject. After subject you will take shall or will. After you are talking about negative, so you will take not. After be, after fourth form of verb object, या object or other word. So by that example, by that structure, you can translate any sentence of future continuous tense with negative. So you will take shall according to subject, will according to subject. After shall will you will use not. Why? Because you are talking about negative sentence. After not you will take be. Why? Because you know very well I am talking about continuous, and future continuous relate to present continuous. So for present I taken is mr, so for is mr, base form of is mr is be, so I taken be after fourth form of verb. Why? Because fourth form of verb so continue after object या other word. So by that structure you can translate any that types of sentence which will relate your future continuous negative. So now I take other example, and by that example you will learn how to translate of future continuous negative sentence. When you look second example, so you find out वे लोग फल नहीं खा रहे होंगे, It's mean that in future you will translate this sentence. So how we translate, I will talk about that. First of all, you look at subject is they. They, and you know very well they always take will, not to shall. So you use will. Now negative. Negative means not. You will use be. Now main focus is being eaten, so you will take it. And you know very well you are talking about continuous, so you will use ing. They will not be eating fruit. So you taken they, so for they you taken will, and you know very well it's a negative, so you taken not. After be, after fourth form of verb, object या other word. So here they is subject, and for subject you know very well subject can be noun and pronoun, so they is pronoun for you. You taken will, so will is models and will is model. After you taken not. Why? Because you are talking about negative. After you taken be. Why? Because model always take base form of verb. So be is base form. Eating is main verb for you because main focus, so it's a main verb, and fruit is object for you. So you know and you learned that first of all I will take subject. After I will take according to subject shall or will. After shall or will you are talking about negative, so you will take negative word like not. After you will take base form of verb like be. After fourth form of verb. Why? Because you are talking about continuous. So you take an fourth form of, after you take an object या other word. So you know that how can you translate any that types of sentence which will be future continuous with negative. So these types of sentence you can translate by that structure. It's so easy for you. Today I am teaching you English to English because which types you understand Hindi. So when you try to learn how to speak English, so you can speak English. And for learning speaking, your English listening is so need to doing. When you listen English, so you find out that how can I speak English. We are not a native speaker that we will speak native English. We are Indian, so our tone should be Indian English. So when you listen to me, so after listening you will try to speak, you will try to learn, because during speaking, during your session, I use all sentence so and so easy types, that when you listen, so in observation way, so in comfort way, so in slowly way, so in like I want to learn how to speak, so you can understand fully best types and you can learn fully best types, because it's only for you. I always try to avoid to doing so best for you, and I will try to my best always with you. So now we will meet in next session. See you with next session. Bye.